is a good piece of advice. Use the weekend to build the life you want, not to escape the life you have. I know this can be challenging, but just hopefully, this little spark of inspiration from me to you may open your eyes to the idea to spend your next coming weekends building the life you want, not escaping the life you have.
Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a fun little Sunday vlog, Sunday reset vlog, whatever you want to call it. I'm really excited. Have not filmed one of these in so long. I used to be the queen of Sunday resets and Sunday routines back when Matt was working shift work because I'd have a lot of Sundays to myself. But obviously now that Matt's on the same schedule as I am, we find ourselves kind of, and I said this in my Selfish Sunday video a few months ago, that we kind of just like do our Sunday reset like throughout the week and weekend. For example, we change the sheets on the bed on Saturdays, we clean some Sundays we don't even clean. And so we don't really have a set Sunday reset routine. And I don't want you guys to think that you have to, because sometimes I watch those videos and I'm like, that is not attainable every Sunday. Like, what if you have plans and stuff, you know what I mean? So I decided that I needed a bit of a Sunday reset. I personally think I view Sunday resets as like a once in a while thing for me, right? Like a total weekly reset. Now there's some things that I do weekly, right? Like change the towels, change the sheets, review my finances for the week. But other things like getting groceries and fresh flowers and stuff, I don't necessarily do on a weekly basis. It'd be fun to take you guys along on a Sunday reset. And the way I view this is it's a Sunday reset. It's not the Sunday reset, if that makes any sense, right? For me, a Sunday reset is like a once in a while, like special Sunday. This is just my Sunday today. This is how I'm resetting today. It is not like this every week by any means. Maybe like once a month, honestly, and most of the time it's on like a Monday because I'm off work on Monday, so it's more of like a weekly reset. This week it just happens to fall on a Sunday, and honestly, let's just do that because I feel like we have a lot to do and I kind of want to try and get everything done this morning so I can still enjoy the afternoon. You guys already know the drill, and if you're new here, we change our sheets actually on Saturdays so that when we wake up on Sundays, they're already fresh for the week. I don't know, just saves us a little time. It's kind of our routine. These are Brook Linen sheets. We literally swear by them. We love them so much, and I'm actually about to go change my towels, and I'm super excited to show you guys because we got some new Brook Linen towels. We've been using them for like a week, and we love them. Alrighty guys, so I have a focus setting for Sundays because I try and stay off of social media and my phone. The only thing that can come through on the Sunday function is my parents, Matt, and then Matt's parents for like calls and texts. So I have that on, and then made myself a little Sunday reset list of just the things I need to do today and then the few groceries I have to get. We don't typically do groceries on the weekend, but I have to go and kind of stock up on a few things today. But that is the little list. We're gonna get into it. I'm so excited. Check of the day, matching set is from Joe Fresh. I got them in a large so they'd be oversized, but the pants are like really big on me, but super comfy. It's like a rainy Sunday, so it's kind of the vibe. I might wear this to get groceries, to be quite honest. And then I just got some fuzzy slippers on. Don't mind Stella's toys there, but that's the comfy little fit of the day. Super excited because today's video is actually sponsored by Brook Linen. You guys know how much I love them. I just showed you guys our bed sheets from there. We love them. These are like thick mama jama towels, okay? This is like a spa experience in your own house paired with the eucalyptus in our shower. Like, chef's kiss, 10 on 10. So I love working with Brook Linen so much, okay? I talk about them all the time. And Brook Linen believes that everyone deserves simple, beautiful home essentials without that luxury markup. So they cut out the middleman and you can buy their stuff directly from their website. I'm just like caressing this towel because it's just so fluffy and great, honestly. Linen is having their biggest sale of the year, so from now when you're watching this video until May 4th, everything is 20% off, and they don't do these sales often, so this is the perfect time to stock up on whatever you've been meaning to get. Always asking if I have a discount code, and this is your opportunity, you guys. This is such a great sale. I was so excited to try their towel set because I rave about their sheet set. It's truly life-changing, and these towels did not let me down. One of the best things about Brook Linen is you can actually just buy bundles instead of having to buy everything individually, which can be such a hassle. You go to buy towels and the hand cloths and the washcloths are sold out. Like, what do you do? With Brook Linen, you actually can just buy a bundle, which move-in bundle comes with bath towels, hand towels, washcloths, and a bath mat. And the best part about it is that you can customize it. So maybe you want different colored towels than your hand towels and washcloths. You can customize it to your liking, which I absolutely love. Anyways, I love them. They're made from 100% Turkish cotton. They're so comfy and soft. and it's truly just like a great start to the week when you have some fresh towels. So once again, thank you so much, Brook Linen, for sponsoring today's video. I mean, you guys know how much I love them. I talk about them all the time, even in non-sponsored videos. Like, I'm obsessed with them. Again, they're having their biggest sale of the year, so from now until May 4th, you guys can get 20% off by clicking the link down below. And thank you so much, Brook Linen, for sponsoring today's videos. I'm gonna get ready to head out and go get groceries and stuff, because I just feel like I want to get out. It's kind of rainy and blow out, get the stuff, come home, and then just do everything else. So let's do that, and maybe we'll even treat ourselves to a coffee. Meal preppers, honestly, we just like eat whatever we feel like that night, but I am gonna, I guess, like prep some cold brew. This is just the 8 bag from Disney. It's the Joffrey's one, and basically I just take this giant mason jar and I just plop that in there, and then I fill this up with water. You basically just, I mean, you can't see anything yet, but you basically just like let this sit for 24 hours, and that's how we make cold brew. It's just the Joffrey's 50th blend, so yeah. I think this is like self-explanatory, but before I do groceries, I always just like check the fridge out, see what we need, what we don't. It's a pretty bare looking fridge. We haven't done groceries since we got back from our trip 2 weeks ago, but I'll kind of like check it out, obviously throw out anything that's like old, and just kind of like arrange things a little bit, and then take inventory of what needs to be thrown out and what we need to buy. And that way when you come back with your groceries, you're not like stressing to clean it and all that stuff. So I do that before. And now we're gonna grab our grocery list and go and pick up some groceries. We're in the car, obviously. I just got my Starbucks, which, yeah, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Yeah, did a little treat myself. I like to play all the games in the Starbucks app. So it was like if you order a cold brew 3 times, the next week you get like 100 bonus points. So I'm just in such a good mood. I don't know why. Something about a jean jacket just makes me so happy. But anyways, I got my coffee. Once again, this is just like a little treat myself. Matt and I usually get coffee on Saturday or Sunday, but I'm sure we'll get it, since it's like a long weekend, I'm sure we'll get it another day when Matt's around. But I just got a grande cold brew with a pump of caramel and then just a splash of cream. I always get asked if I have like a go-to Starbucks order, and I don't really, but it's always a cold brew or an iced Americano with a splash of cream and then just like a pump of something. I'm not really picky. It just depends on what I'm feeling. Today I want a caramel, sometimes I want vanilla, sometimes I want hazelnut. Like, it really just depends on the day, honestly. Some days I just don't get it without any flavor. If I'm really feeling like treating myself, I'll get a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, because those are my favorites. But yeah, that's my little coffee, and just, I'm so excited to go walk around the grocery store with the Starbucks. There's just like nothing like it. It's just great. So got my cutie tote bag. I really feel like in the Sunday mood, and it's gonna be really great. So I want to honestly power through it, because I just want to sit at home with a book and enjoy the rest of the day, but I know I got to get some stuff done first. So let's go get some groceries. I'm gonna blast some tunes on the way there. Obsessed with this current mashup on SoundCloud, which you guys have probably heard on TikTok.
Follow your dreams.
Heard on TikTok, and if you haven't, go look it up. It's so good. So I'm gonna bop to that, drive to the grocery store, drink my coffee, and we're just gonna have a great Sunday together, and I can't wait. Let's go grocery shopping. Like I said, most random grocery haul ever, because we do our big like meat veggie one typically at Costco, but once a week or so I have to like stock up on random stuff, and it just so happened I had a few fun things to get. So I always pick up one of these Mike's stuffed crust pizzas. They're just great to have if we're like ever on the go or a really busy night. I got a lot of these proteins. You know, we love these. I talk about Bruce all the time, and so I wanted to have some of those on hand. I needed a restock of my favorite protein bars. These are the Simply Protein and Chocolate Coconut. I love those. Did a stock up of some Zevia. It was on sale, so I did the like Dr. Pepper one, and then Matt likes the ginger ale one. Love this dip. Wanted something just like fun for the week, so this is like a dill pickle dip. Tomatoes. I believe this is just like a mixed one. We ran out of margarine, which, yeah, we still use margarine. It's probably not great for us. Live lettuce for some salads. Mint leaves, like to put this in my water. You guys already know the drill. Prosciutto, and then I saw this, it looks really good. Rosemary and black pepper, and it has like a breakfast sandwich on it. So I was like, oh, that sounds so yummy. So I got those 2 lunch meats for the week. And then like I'm talking so miscellaneous. I got some new shaving cream. I've been having an allergic reaction, or like a reaction to something in my armpit. I got checked out by my doctor or anything, like it's nothing crazy. I got an ultrasound done, like my lymph nodes are fine. But my doctor was like, just try changing up your shaving cream and your razor. So I just picked up this Aveeno one, helps prevent razor bumps. Thought maybe I try that out. And I just picked up these like sensitive skin razors. But if you have a good one, let me know. And then I also just, my doctor was like, maybe try like an aluminum free deodorant. So I got the native one. It's finally in Canada. This is Cotton and Lily, and this is the extra sensitive one. Or so they have like normal ones, but this is for, you know, extra sensitive skin. So I got that to try. Got some milk chocolate almonds, sliced strawberries, and then my sister-in-law has this fig balsamic dressing and I'm obsessed with it. So I got my own. And then I also just got a new balsamic glaze. So super random grocery haul. Like I said, it's just kind of like random things we needed for the week, but that's what the weekend is all about. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away and we'll do like a little restock of the pantry. Alrighty guys, pantry is all stocked up for the week, or at least like what I can stock up. Like I don't have any more collagen right now, but granola and cereal, all the snacks are filled up, protein bars are in the cupboard, everything is good for the week. And fridge is all stocked up with lots of drinks. We drink a lot of drinks in this house and we're all good to go for the week. Guys, here are the beautiful flowers. I think I did a good job this time. They're so cute. Anyways, fresh flowers makes me so happy. In the office now that I've kind of done like more of the household kind of Sunday reset stuff, it's a lot of sitting down now and kind of planning the week out. To show you guys my Google Calendar, but I have a ton of sponsored stuff coming in the next like week or two, and I have a few meetings this week that like I haven't signed contracts for yet, so I can't show you guys. So I don't think I'm gonna actually show you guys my Google Calendar unless I take that stuff out maybe and show you. I don't really know what the best way is, but I will typically just take a glance at my Google Calendar because that thing is like my life, and just kind of see what I have going on for the week. You guys know I plan my videos out a month in advance, so I kind of will just get an idea for like what sponsored videos are due this week, kind of what my workflow is, if I have to go into the office any days, yada yada yada. And then we will do the weekly money routine. Obviously you guys have seen the monthly budget spreadsheet before, but basically what I do on a weekly basis is I will go through and I will add all of my expenses in here. So I'm going to go ahead and update those from my credit card, and then I will show you guys kind of when I'm done. Wasn't very exciting because I actually didn't spend too much money in the last few days, but I added in like my McDonald's, I bought a ring on Etsy, and then I added our groceries from Walmart. So yeah, I just like to update this on a weekly basis and kind of see what bills are coming out. So yeah, that's what's going on, and then I'll obviously update this as, you know, the week goes, but that is just updating my monthly budget for the week. The financial content, I have a whole video on my weekly money routine, but literally the gist of it is just like updating my budget, see what bills are coming out in the next week, and yada yada yada. Next thing I like to do is plan my week out. So at least in Canada, the gyms, we still have to book our classes. So I'll pull up my Google Calendar. What I will do is go to Copilot, which is the personal training app that I use. I have 2 workouts with them a week, which are like full body weightlifting workouts. So I'll kind of decide, looking at my calendar, which days I want to do those on. And then once I kind of have an idea, so for example, Wednesday I work at the hospital, so Wednesday I typically don't do, Wednesday is typically a rest day for me just because I'm exhausted by the time I get home. So I am off Mondays and Fridays, so typically Mondays and Fridays will be like my lift days, and then during the week I will schedule in workouts either at the gym around my schedule. So I'm just kind of going through and seeing what classes are available this week. Basically, we'll just like scroll through the different workouts for the different days and kind of figure out what I want to do. It goes for spin. I'll kind of look and see if there's any spin classes that are interesting for me and then book all of those accordingly. And then I will usually grab my planner. I recently started using the Mind Your Business Planner by Nitsan Raider, and I love it in my week ahead and kind of everything I need to do. So I will typically spend a few minutes looking at my calendar, writing down any important meetings, things I have to do, errands, etc. And I'll show you guys the overview of the planner. I really like how it's laid out. You guys know I'm very picky with my planners and I don't normally stick to one, but this one I really like. So this is what the weekly layout looks like. So you have your goals for the week and then priorities, don't forget, and errands. I love that because sometimes I have errands on my to-do list, but they're kind of different because they're errands, you know? And then some habit trackers. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Guys, I just did my little plan for the week. So basically I use my planner as more of like a to-do list area, and then my Google Calendar is my time blocking. So I have just like some important calls this week, errands I need to run, things I need to do, and my habits for this week are 10,000 steps a day, a hydro jug of water, and no phone after 8. And then I need to set some goals for the week, which I always find a little bit difficult. But sometimes when I'm planning my week out and I have a lot to do, I get really overwhelmed. So I'm gonna step away and I'm actually gonna do a little self-care. Sometimes I have full on like selfish Sundays. Also, yes, I still use makeup wipes. I don't think that's good, but I do it. And I'll link my selfish Sunday video down below. I did one, I want to say like a month or two ago, and it was so fun. I try and have as many kind of like selfish weekends as I can and just kind of focus on self-care. But obviously every Sunday's different. Like today was a little productive and that's good. So I'm just taking off my tinted moisturizer. I have these little eye patches from Pixie that I really like. That feels so good. I keep them in the fridge. I love a good eye patch on a Sunday. Oh yeah. Okay. And then my favorite thing to do is like roll it out. I obviously usually do this in the morning, but you know, you can do it whenever you want. I am actually not someone who gets like a very puffy face. I don't know if I'm the only one. Like I just ice roll because I feel like it feels good, you know? I don't really actually get a puffy face, but yeah. I kind of want to enjoy the evening, so I honestly like montage our evening and take you guys along on that. But other than that, I really don't have much to do. I'm gonna relax, have a nice dinner. I think we're gonna have leftover turkey sandwiches from Easter, honestly. That sounds so yummy. And just wind down and have a really, really lovely, chilly spring evening here. But this is just your sign that, like, once again, you don't have to do a million things to have a productive Sunday. This was just productive enough for me. This feels so good. I'm just gonna kind of sit here and ice roll until my face is so cold I can't do it anymore. And yeah, that's my update.
Dog, look at this happy. You're crazy. You're cute.
I just whipped out my Kindle because I'm trying to figure out what I want to read. I kind of like to sit in bed with my Kindle, my eye patches, and just, you know, self-care it up. But I'm trying to decide what I want to read. I've been in the biggest book slump, honestly. So yeah, these are the choices.
I'm halfway through 5 rounds. I also want to read Pretty Girls by Karen Slaughter. I also want to read this historical romance. And then I also want to read the new Abby Jimenez book. But I have just so many books on the go, I can't decide. So I think I'm gonna sit here for a little bit with the cutest doggy in the world. And we're gonna hang out and read together. Have a little self-care on our Sunday, huh?